And what can we write here? Reason. Security. Okay, and alert there helps me with everything. It's one to add, and it's created. In general, we can create an email post done what we are going to do now, right now. Let's go to the event of ours, already created, more and add this email to be. Let's go here and event that alone. Is a configuration, basic of analyze functions. The OK20 alarm. Let's go here, it's quite normal. We already have it here. She takes care of us, already knows how to do this when we waste time. Let's go here and cross. And action. Here add linking. Let's associate here, send the email. Let's choose director already to define, right? That keeps sequence inclusion, right? The inclusion. Save to come here too in T line crossing. Same thing here. Email. Send email. Let's select General Director. Saved. It's done, right? Is it defined? Let's go here now to test this. Let's go to the web client to see if we can send a predefined email to check if the system is configured correctly or not. Word of peace for the users. And let's find the alerts here. We have here, for example, an alarm for an event that needs to be addressed. This event here is already old, but we can see it here just as an example. To test, let's choose not to set the time here, General Director. Here are the emails we defined, and we will send. The email sent from the platform. Let's go to the email to see if we really received it or not. Here it is. Hello, we just received the email now. In real time, it's here. Security, attention, security system. Here comes the security system. And here is the respective image. And of the respective event, we handled it. So this is how you configure email in the central software. This is how you configure email on the device. So what's of interest? Here, we have this base. With this base, we can jump. The program has an option to send personalized emails in real time. Yes, that's how it works. So, do you already know Trainer Verissimo? I like to learn by teaching.